Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aviwade. Today we'll be doing another wrapping of hairband. If you have not watched my previous video when I did the first one, kindly go and watch it, and I will leave the link up here. Okay, so I'm using my tissue paper. You can see what I'm doing right now. I'm just using it to go around to know how long tissue I would need for this. So this is the length I needed. You can also use your tape to measure it before you cut it out. After that, so just roll it like the way I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'll place it like this. Let me add some glue so that we don't find it difficult. So I'm just going around with my glue a little bit. Okay, after that, place the tissue like this, then just wrap it around it. So I didn't add the glue all through because I would want to start sticking to my hands, so that's why I did it one at a time. Then when I'm done with one part, I'll just wrap it around like this. So after this, I'll press it in, then start wrapping it around. I'll make sure that I fold it severally to ensure that it covers it and it becomes thick. You can actually make it as thick as you want. You can increase it. At times you see some hairband very thick, as in high, some will be beaded. This is how you can do that. So you can use tissue, you can use fabric, you can use anything you want, but I prefer tissue because it's kind of light. If you use fabric, it's going to be very thick and hard. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. When I'm done, I'll just add my glue to seal it up. Just keep watching. So here is what I have. So don't mind the roughness because I'm definitely going to cover it with my bias. So this time around I'm using the bias, and there's no particular measurement, but I think I just use 1 yard here. 1 yard should be enough. It's better it's enough than it's too short. Okay, so add my glue right here at the edge. Remember that on the other one we're adding the glue at the iron, but this time around it's better to add it here. Same way you did the other one. You remember the same way I folded that part, right? So that's the same thing I'm doing right now. Just go around. Please, once more, you are highly welcome to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Aviwade. We do a lot of fascinators and different other content. If you have not followed this page yet, kindly do that. It's not going to cost you anything to follow the page. Also subscribe to the page. Sorry, I also have a Facebook page where I do singing. If you are in love with music, kindly follow me on my Facebook handle. It's called Aviwade1. So thank you for those returning subscribers. God bless you. I love you. I love you all. And if you are just joining, please subscribe and join this wonderful family as well. If you like what we are doing, kindly leave a comment below so that I will know that you are understanding what we are doing. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you, and thank you. I love you all. Please subscribe, okay? Can you spot the difference? This is a little bit bigger, like thicker than this, so I think this is more better. So you can do this or this, whichever one you like. Both are nice. I think this is how the one we usually buy in the market looks like. Here are all the ones I made for this my Ankara picture. As you can see the fabric right here. So it's now left for you to do whichever one you think is okay or that you love or that will be easy for you. Just go ahead and do yours, okay? Stay tuned for more video and don't forget to give this video a like. Love you.